behind us is the 15 meter, so we can see what our genuine reaction is. Oh, dude, I can't even tell. You can't even tell.
Yeah, that's not that bad. It's not that scary looking, but it's gonna be a long ass.
It's just like you don't even know what's gonna happen. Here, check this out.
I'm gonna stand here to figure it out.
Bromantic Adventures. It's like certain things.
Right?
So
Like,
yeah.
now we're actually out.
What's something that makes you happy?
My hearing.
Coffee and hot dog bun.
You think it's my actual
Hamburger bun. An importer of other.
Oh, I totally missed it.
I'm Bromantic Adventures.
Police are pulling over everyone that's white that are gonna try to extort everyone.
They might leave us hand fights.
I'm trying to be better at time. What's something that makes you happy?
So our first episode of Bromantic Adventures begins with us going somewhere that we were told not to even go to because we were told it's not very fun.
We were staying in Ubud at the time. It was super chill but very boring.
So we wanted to find something more exciting, so we decided to check out Padang Bai, and specifically we were told to check out the Blue Lagoon. And I'm really glad that we decided to go against other people's naysaying advice, because we got there and instantly, because it's us, we started wandering down the beach over all these rocks, which ended up being really great because just as this clip shows, Parker naturally found this little random cave.
Whoa! Freaking cave!
It's been kind of scary, but kind of beautiful.
And so what was cool about it was the first thing we thought to ourselves was, hey, this is really rad. We wanted to swim in, but it was so sketchy because the water kept like coming in. It was a little tide pool.
And let me emphasize that the GoPro does not capture the audio of how gnarly this thing sounded. It sounded like a bear was roaring.
But it was really cool, and we found ourselves not very high, but it was just a sketchy thought to jump into the water. We knew we wanted to as soon as we saw it, but we were afraid we were going to get like sucked into that bear cave.
And the tide was pretty gnarly once you got in. We thought it was deep enough, but we weren't sure.
What's up? We're here with our boy James. Introduce yourself, mate.
What's going on? My name's James Courtenay from London, London Tan. We're going to the waterfall, Aling Aling. Aling Aling. We're going to jump off the roofs, off the caves, crevices, rocks, whatever you want to call them. The roofs, exactly.
The roofs of the
earth.
Crust. What are you most excited about today?
Today, about seeing you guys jump in. I'm in the bushes. I'm a cinematographer, man. Cinematographer, that's what I'm doing. No, I'm going to jump. I'm definitely going to jump. We'll see what happens. We're going to try to do the one take. Watch it from above, down, straight under. Sick.
How do you like passing, because Craig goes so fast, passing big ass trucks on a almost one-way road with traffic coming at you with a scooter that doesn't go?
Yeah, that's the worst when you try and overtake something. You're like, I'm going!
Yeah. I'm like, come on, man.
Somewhere along the line, we met our friend James Courtenay, I think at a bar. Yeah, we met him at a bar, and he was around, and we started talking about this little romantic adventure that we're having, and he's like, I want to come along with. And we said, cool, we're going to search for waterfalls tomorrow to jump off of, but we don't know where they are.
And he was like, cool, I'm down. Like, basically.
We were on motorbikes all day. It was hours and hours of searching and riding, and these roads looked nice, but it was way sketchier than it looked.
And no GPS. It was raining. There were monkeys running across the road.
Chasing Waterfalls. TLC today.
Okay, my name is Gede. You can call me Gede. I'm a local guy in here. Before we go from here, go to the waterfall, we find 4 waterfall. And then the 3 waterfall, we can do activity like sliding and jumping on the waterfall. We jump from the 5 meter, 10 meter, and then the 60 meter, the last one. And then we have a sliding in the 12 meter on the waterfall also.
We're getting ready to slide down a waterfall. It's a nature's waterfall. Nature's water slide. Nature's water slide. I've never seen Craig with a scared look on his face.
I was getting a little nervous.
He's getting a little nervous.
I love that.
All right. Gede says it's gonna be easy. We're gonna try.
I was just like, I'm about to lay down on some rocks and just like roll down.
It was fucking crazy.
Point of view over my shoulder, which is gonna be the best shot.
Yeah, over your shoulder, go.
But look how scared you look here.
Dude, this is the sketchiest thing I've done in a long time.
Yeah, for sure. This is so sketch.
Oh. And right, straight to the rocks.
I got some fucking gonads. We've been jumping off this waterfall. We're about to jump off this one. 10 meters. Shit. In case you wonder what 10 meters looks like, it looks like this.
What's really funny is when we both jump off, in the video you can see where I'm falling sideways, and I think that's when I get my bruise.
Holy shit. Round 2. And just hope that it doesn't rape your butthole. Once I got on that thing, I was like, I don't know if this is the best decision we've made so far.
Right. I was like, this is not gonna be fun.
It was up there with Sky Garden, which we'll mention in the 3rd episode.
And the downside to all of the jumping means you have to climb back up. And these little rocks and vines and dirt and stuff were just sharp and uncomfortable.
We jumped off 5 meter. We jumped off 10 meter. We're about to see what 15 meter looks like.
I don't think I'm gonna go for a, man, we have to go for the big one, but it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
What's up?
We just did the waterfalls here, and
jump off. We did the jump off, and it was sick.
Yeah, it was fun. We jumped off some waterfalls, slid down, got some amazing footage. I was scared.
The 15 was hairy.
Yeah.
That's a
Pretty hairy.
videos.
Yeah!
he jumps off every single day.
Good stuff. Perfect. One last thing. What's something that makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Because what make me happy because I get friends. 3 friends are very friendly. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Okay, give it cheers. Yeah, thank you.
Jesse Magallanes from San Diego. I'm scared of heights, and we're here today to face my fears. Okay.
Just jumped. How you feeling?
Feeling great. That's what life's about. You gotta face your fears.
Oh shit.
So whatever fear you have, make sure you face it, and you'll be on top of the world. Feel awesome.
That's the thing. You have to think about how high it is. You have to think about the lifeguards coming. You have to think about how deep the water is. But really, I just think too much.
Subtle product placement. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching the pilot episode of Bromantic Adventures. Please make sure that you subscribe below, leave us any questions that you might have, and make sure to share and tag with anyone you know that's into adventure travel or the shenanigans that we've been getting into. If you'd like to support us in any way, we have a Patreon account, so hopefully we can afford to make more of these in the future. Until then, follow us on social media, and we'll see you there.